Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 29th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. In India, National Sports Day is observed every year on. Answer is 29th August. Every year, 29th August has been observed as National Sports Day in India. The official theme for National Sports Day 2024 is Sport for the Promotion and Peaceful and Inclusive Societies. The first National Sports Day was celebrated on 29 August 2012 on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, who was the star of hockey team of India. Question number 2. International Day Against Nuclear Tests is observed globally on. Answer is 29th August. The International Day Against Nuclear Tests is observed globally on 29th August. The day aims to increase awareness about the effects of nuclear weapon test explosions. On 2nd December 2009, the 64th session of the United Nations General Assembly declared 29th August the International Day Against Nuclear Tests through the unanimous adoption of its Resolution 64/35. Question number 3. India has launched its first survey of high-risk glacier lakes in which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. India has launched its first comprehensive survey of high-risk glacial lakes in Tawang and Dibang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. The initiative follows a glacial lake outburst flood in Sikkim's South Lonoke Lake in October 2023. It is led by the National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA. Of the nearly 7,500 glacial lakes in the Indian Himalayas, NDMA has finalized 189 high-risk lakes that require mitigation measures. Question number 4. Who is captain of the Indian team for the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024? Answer is Harmanpreet Kaur. The 9th edition of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup will be held in the UAE from October 3rd to 20th, 2024 in Dubai and Sharjah. BCCI named a 15-member India team, with Harmanpreet Kaur being named captain and Smriti Mandhana as her deputy captain. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has shifted the 9th ICC Women's T20 Cricket World Cup from Bangladesh to the United Arab Emirates due to political turmoil in Bangladesh. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of National Security Guard, NSG? Answer is B. Srinivasan. The Appointment Committee has approved the appointment of Senior IPS B. Srinivasan as the new Director General of the Elite Counter-Terrorism Force, National Security Guard, NSG. B. Srinivasan will replace CRPF Director General Anish Dayal Singh, who was given the additional charge of the National Security Guard. 1992 batch B. Srinivasan is a Bihar cadre IPS officer and is currently the Director of Bihar Police Academy at Rajgir in Bihar. Question number 6. Who was elected as the next independent chair of International Cricket Council, ICC? Answer is Jai Shah. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI Secretary Jai Shah, has been elected unopposed as the next independent chair of the International Cricket Council, ICC, on 27 August 2024. He will replace New Zealand's Greg Barclay, whose term will end on 30 November 2024. Jai Shah is the fifth Indian to head the ICC and at the age of 35, is the youngest chair of the ICC. Jai Shah will begin his term as independent chair of ICC on 1 December 2024. Question number 7. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY) observed its 10th anniversary on which date? Answer is 28 August 2024. The world's largest financial inclusion program, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY), completed 10 years on 28 August 2024. This yojana was launched by the Government of India on 28 August 2014. According to the Union Ministry of Finance, the total number of account holders was 53.13 crore, of which 55.6% or 29.56 crores were women and 66.6% or 35.37 crores Jan Dhan accounts were in rural and semi-urban areas. Question number 8. Which city has topped the Prime Global Cities Index second quarter 2024 by Knight Frank? Answer is Manila. According to the Prime Global Cities Index (PGCI) second quarter 2024, published by international property consultant Knight Frank, Mumbai and New Delhi have secured the second and third positions respectively. Manila, the capital city of Philippines, has topped the Knight Frank Prime Global Cities Index (PGCI) second quarter 2024 with a 26th annual increase during the June quarter. Question number 9. Who has recently introduced its Unified Lending Interface (ULI)? Answer is RBI. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) introduced its Unified Lending Interface (ULI) technology platform across India. It was announced by the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das during the Global Conference on Digital Public Infrastructure and Emerging Technologies in Bangalore in Karnataka on 26 August 2024. This is based on the success of the Unified Payments Interface (UPI), which was launched in 2016. Question number 10. Recently, the founder and CEO of which company, Pavel Durov, has been arrested? Answer is Telegram. Pavel Durov, the Russian-born billionaire founder and owner of the Telegram messaging app, was arrested on 24 August at Le Bourget Airport in France. The arrest is as part of an investigation into crimes related to child pornography, drug trafficking and fraudulent transactions on the platform. Telegram Messenger, commonly known as Telegram, is a cloud-based, cross-platform, social media and instant messaging service. It was originally launched for iOS on 14 August 2013 and Android on 20 October 2013. Question number 11. Who has recently launched the National Medical Register portal in New Delhi? Answer is J.P. Nadda. Minister of Health and Family Welfare J.P. Nadda has launched the National Medical Register portal in New Delhi for the registration of all MBBS doctors eligible for registration in India. This portal will be a comprehensive and dynamic database for all registered allopathic doctors. The National Medical Register aims to strengthen the digital healthcare ecosystem and ensure quality healthcare. Question number 12. Which small finance bank was honored with 4 awards at the ICC Emerging Asia Banking Conclave and Awards 2024? Answer is Jana Small Finance Bank. Bangalore-based Jana Small Finance Bank Limited was honored with 4 awards: Best Small Finance Bank in India, Best Performance on Profitability, as runners-up, Best Performance on Asset Quality, and Best Performance on Risk Management at the 2nd ICC Emerging Asia Banking Conclave and Awards in 2024, organized by the Indian Chamber of Commerce (ICC), on 22 and 23 August 2024 in New Delhi. During the event, Jammu and Kashmir Bank Limited has won the Best Performance on Profitability Award in the category of Private Sector Bank as mid-size. Question number 13. International Dog Day is observed every year on. Answer is 26th August. International Dog Day is observed every year on 26th August. The theme of the 2024 International Dog Day is Every Dog Deserves a Spa Day. International Dog Day was first celebrated in 2004 by animal welfare activist and pet lifestyle expert Colleen Page. Question number 14. Who has been elected as the national president of Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP? Answer is Mayawati. Bahujan Samaj Party chief, Mayawati, was unanimously re-elected as the national president of the party for the sixth term. Kumari Mayawati is an Indian politician who served as the 18th Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1995 to 1995, 1997 to 1997, 2002 to 2003 and from 2007 to 2012. She is the second president of the Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, since 18 September 2003. Question number 15. Sagar Bagre from which state has been awarded the National Model Teacher Award? Answer is Maharashtra. Two teachers from Maharashtra, Sagar Bagre and Mantaya Bedke, are among 50 selected for National Teachers Award 2024, announced by the Union Ministry of Education on 27 August. Sagar Bagre from SOF SM Lohia High School and Junior College in Kolhapuram is a 57-year-old art teacher with an experience of over 30 years. 42-year-old Mantaya Bedke from Jilla Parishad Upper Primary Digital School Jajwandi in Gadchiroli district. Question number 16. Indian origin Kevan Parekh was appointed as the Chief Financial Officer, CFO, of. Answer is Apple. iPhone maker Apple has named Kevan Parekh as its new Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Parekh, 52-year-old, will take over the baton from Apple veteran Luca Maestri, who will transition from his role on 1 January 2025. Parekh is an electrical engineer with a Bachelor of Science from the University of Michigan and an MBA from the University of Chicago. Question number 17. Who has assumed charge as the Director General of Police of Andaman and Nicobar? Answer is Hargobind Singh Dhaliwal. Senior IPS officer Hargobinder Singh Dhaliwal assumed charge as the new Director General of Police, DGP, of Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 26 August 2024. During his tenure in the Delhi Police, Dhaliwal cracked some sensational cases, including the Dholakwan gang rape, journalist Soumya Vishwanathan murder, and Jigisha Ghosh murder. As DGP, Dhaliwal replaced Devesh Chandra Srivastava, who was transferred to Delhi. Question number 18. What is the minimum marriage age for girls in the Anti-Childhood Act of Himachal Pradesh? Answer is 21 years. Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly approved a bill to raise the minimum marriage age for women from 18 to 21 years. The Prohibition of Child Marriage, Himachal Pradesh Amendment Act 2024, amends the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 to align with this new age requirement. The original Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 set the minimum marriage age for women at 18 and for men at 21. Question number 19. Recently, the 8th Dharma Dhamma Conference was organized in. Answer is Ahmedabad. The 8th Dharma Dhamma Conference was organized from August 23 to 25 by the India Foundation in collaboration with Gujarat University in Ahmedabad. The theme for the 2024 conference is Cosmology in Dharma and Dhamma. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar was the chief guest for the event. Question number 20. Which railway station in Uttar Pradesh was renamed as Guru Gorakhnath Dham? Answer is Jas. The names of 8 railway stations in Uttar Pradesh have been changed according to an order issued by the Northern Railways on 27 August 2024. According to the notification, Kasimpur Halt will now be known as Jas City Railway Station, Jas as Guru Gorakhnath Dham, Mishroli as Ma Kalikan Dham, Bani as Swami Parmahans, Nihalgarh as Maharaja Bijli Pasi, Akbarganj as Ma Ahorwa Bhavani Dham, Warisganj as Amar Shahid Bhale Sultan, and Fursadganj as Tapeshwarnath Dham. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.